Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to learn a song by Tasha Cobbs, Too Faithful. I'll be playing in the key of G sharp or A flat. Alright, so let me play the song and then show you the chords to use and then the progression. Alright, so basically that's the whole progression for the song. And alright, so it starts on the chord 1 like this. So this is my chord 1. You can play 4 to 1, but I would advise you play your 1 and then use the tension in the D, a C sharp, to chord 4, then back to 1, then 7, 6, 4, 5. So let's start again. It starts on a 1, it moves to a 4, and then back to a 1, then 7, and 6, and come back to 4, and then 5. That's for the first stanza. Then it starts on a 6. The second stanza starts on a 6, and then a 4, and then a 1, 7, 6. It goes back to a 4, then 1. Then all my life you've been faithful. It starts on a 4. All my life you've been faithful. Then it goes back again. 4, 1, 5, 4, 1, 7, 6, 4, 5, 1. Your goodness is running after me. It plays a 3, a chord 3. That's how you play it. And then to 4, 5, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1. Then the third one you play a 3 again, a 4, a 5, and then a 5 sharp or a 6 flat, either a 5 sharp or a 6 flat. It's a diminished chord. Then you move to 6. Now I played the 6 the last time. This is how I played it. But this time around I'm adding this to it. I'm making a major 7th chord, a minor 7th chord rather. So it's the third one, 3, 4, 5 sharp, 6, then it's come back to the 3, 4, 5, and then 1. Alright, so basically that's the whole song. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.